Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop. What's your name and what's in here, man?
It's Noah Gray. They're two XP215s at 1 ohm on the Brutal Sounds 5K. It's a big big ratio, fourth order. It's almost a 6-to-1. It's like 3 cubes down low on the sealed side and almost 16 up top.
Everything here, nothing in the back?
Nothing, no equipment's in the back. It's right now on a single 43.5 amp hour Lishan LiPo 4 bank. I'm charging on stock alt at 14.6 on a good day.
Wow, that's a really heavy duty brace.
I appreciate it. I picked it up at Tractor Supply and made the mounts myself.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
How was dialing your port and how'd that work?
We shrunk it up. Right now the port area is about half of the cone area. We started out pretty close to about the same in cone area, so we shrunk it about half.
Okay.
It's got 2x4s stacked up under the plate out front. You actually have to break down the port a little bit to pull the subs out. Right now, there's 2x4s and the round over come out. And then subs go out.
Can I see this?
Yep.
Real quick here.
Some stuff back there right
Is this a half ohm?
No,
or one ohm? Okay. 5,000 watts. Nice. Have you metered it?
It does like a 51 on the glass, but it does 55s at the headrest. It definitely
Nice.
sounds- I enjoyed it for a daily.
That's some pressure on your ear right there by the port.
For sure. My buddy Jared, he designed and built it. We built it at his shop down in Madison, Georgia.
Okay.
That's where I stay at.
Is there a way I can see the back of the box just to see the depth of it and how you put it in? Inside, okay.
We've got pistons and all kinds of
It's okay.
sitting back here.
Nice. So, oh yeah, I see the height. Definitely built it into the vehicle.
It's built up off the floor slightly, and then it's built all the way to the roof. You can see where the edge of the enclosure is, and where we built out to seal it up. Gained a lot from sealing it up.
How many cubes was it?
It's 3 down low on the sealed side, and almost 16 up top.
Wow, you got over 20 cubes on it. Okay.
And there's still room to go further back if you wanted to. The Kia Soul.
If you decided you wanted to do more subs or something, yeah.
Probably 15.
Yeah. Nice. Is there a way I can see the alternator?
Oh yeah, for sure. I don't know if I said I'm running stock alt.
Yeah, I know, just to see underneath the hood. Yep. Yep.
Bank goes good.
You have something to separate the lithium from under the hood?
Actually, right now, the battery up here is sort of acting as a battery delete. The ground's not hooked up to the rest of the car. I'm
Got
just really using it for front distribution right now. I did have it hooked up, and the bank performs better.
Yeah.
The alternator's working on there.
Yep, stock alt. Awesome. Nice. All right. What about up here? You having issues with this? Or you sealed it?
No issues right now. The car used to have a sunroof in it. We did a cheap sunroof. Yeah, no problem.
It's working. All right.
Little wood roof. The brace is doing a lot of the work.
Is this 1 or 2 layers?
It's 1 layer.
Okay.
A lot of foam and stuff up top. There's a decent void where the old sunroof.
Okay.
Trying to think. I guess just the whole mechanism. It used to be, we couldn't actually build the roof up to be flush with the body. There's a slight void, so we got a lot of foam in there. And then the brace is just pushing it up into this.
You've got extra room for the seats too.
Yeah, before we started building the enclosure, I set the seats where I wanted them to ride.
There you go.
Like I said, it's my daily.
Daily driver. All right. Hey, thanks, man. I'll get a demo in a little bit. Your name?
Noah Gray.
Noah Gray. All right.
It was designed by Jared. He's right over there. He also built that big top 418s on it.
Okay. Yes, sir. All right.
You actually, it likes more open.
It does? Okay, so keep this open. Okay. You load off of the window. Okay. All right.
My mids and highs are actually, they're still on the factory. 40 by 8.
Okay.
All I've done is swap the RV6.5s and the DSA. You still having this shit? Tweets in the door.
Okay.
And I ain't glorifying it either. Let's go.
efficient and windy for the power you ran in this vehicle, man.
Yeah,
And the
I don't know
subs.
if you'll catch it on camera, but I'll look back in there while they're playing. The cone control from the sealed side is crazy.
Really?
The excursion I get out of them is maybe that much.
So it helps keep. Okay, got it. Yeah.
Sure.
For the sealed section in the fourth. That's
At
good.
least they're not.
Oh yeah, definitely. Hey, I appreciate the demo, man. Nice to see you. Yep.